Problem number 1, retirement. So, retirement means the existing partners may relieve from the business. It is called retirement of business, retirement of your partners. Due to the misunderstanding, due to the financial and instability and incapability to perform their duties. This time, the partners may be relieved from the business institution, so it is called and retirement of a partners. This is about short about retirement of partners. And come to the first problem, and they are given the and balance sheet details X, Y, Z are equal partners and in the part business. So, and you have to remember when we are preparing the accounts, there is a need to remember the share of the all partners, either agreement, other equal partners, whatever it may be. This is the first one. So, let us see, and if you want prepare the revaluation account, you must know the details about decreasing assets and increasing assets, decreasing liabilities as well as increasing liabilities. So here and stock is 35,000 at the rate of 10%, 3,500 rupees. Machinery 50,000 at the rate of 10%, 5,000 rupees. PBD 30,000 at the rate of 5%, 1,500 rupees. And as per the balance sheet value, the land value is 25,000 rupees, as per adjustment is 35,000 rupees, means appreciation of assets is 10,000 rupees. And as per this revaluation of profit or loss, if revaluation account is shortage on the debit side, it means revaluation profit. Suppose the revaluation is and shortage on credit side, it is revaluation loss. Loss either profit whatever it may be, it must be distributed between the partners or among the partners as per their ratio. So there is no profit, there is no loss, no need to share the and profit or loss. This is the first one. And cash account is necessary. Why? Because there is no any payment, any receipt. So the opening balance as usual and shown in the closing balance sheet of and asset side. So this is the another one. And come into the and goodwill account. Goodwill account. The goodwill is valued at 60,000 rupees. The 60,000 rupees must be distributed as per their ratio 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. So X capital 60,000, 1/3, 20,000. Y capital 60,000, 1/3, 20,000, and Z capital 60,000 into 1/3, 20,000 rupees. So there is no any cash or bank on credit side. The total balance will be right as a balance carried on. So the same amount will be shown in the balance sheet asset side. This is about goodwill account. And come to the revaluation, come to the capital partners capital accounts and whatever it may be, and the balance of the and partners and capital balances, it is given the liability side of the balance sheet, and X is 40,000 rupees and Y is 30,000 rupees, Z is and 20,000 rupees, as well as general reserve is given in the and balance sheet liability side 18,000, 18,000 into 1/3, 6,000 rupees, 6,000 rupees, 6,000 rupees. Next come to the goodwill. What are the amount is sharing in the goodwill, and as per their ratio, the same amount will be reflect on the credit side 20,000 X, Y 20,000, Z 20,000 rupees. So first, and those who are retiring partner, the retiring partner amount must be transferred to their loan accounts. So in this problem, Z is the retiring partner, so Z capital amount is 46,000 rupees, 46,000 rupees recorded here only, and the same amount will be transferred to Z loan account. The Z loan account amount must be reflected in the balance sheet liability side. So this is the and one point. Another point, those who are continuation partners, those who are continuing partners, and also total them, this is the Y capital amount, this is the X capital amount, the same must be recorded year only. So there is no any transaction in X columns only. So the total amount 66,000 will be transferred to balance sheet, liability side. Balance carried on. This is the X capital total amount. This is the Y capital amount, 56,000 rupees. The both will be shown in the capital accounts, 66,000 as well as 56,000. Same amount will be here. Same amount will be here only. Total amount 1,22,000 rupees. Next, what are the liabilities is given in the balance sheet? Liability side. If any adjustments, we must adjust it, otherwise the same liabilities must be recorded in the liability side. Trade creditors is 25,000 rupees, bills payable is 17,000 rupees. So as usual, old liabilities must be shown as usual. This is the liability side. This is a cash balance, it is given and the old balance sheet, there is no adjustment, so and it must be recorded on the asset side. Debtors 30,000 less PBD, provision for bad debts, we must be deduct from this. 30,000 minus 1,500, 28,500 rupees. Stock 35,000 rupees and deduct 3,500 rupees. So and 31,500 rupees. Next, machinery 50,000. The depreciation will be 5,000 rupees. It must be deduct from the machinery, and 50,000 minus 5,000, 45,000 rupees. Next, land. Land value as per the balance sheet 25,000 rupees. Appreciation is 10,000 rupees. So it will be 35,000 rupees. And as usual, the balance of the goodwill account must be shown on the asset side. Goodwill account 60,000. Total is 2,10,000 rupees. 2,10,000 rupees. This is about first problem, retirement. So it is goodwill creation.